Oh no. Alright guys, how you going today on the Average Garage? A bit of a different one. I've just had a call out to go rescue a drift car that's flown off the side of a track. So we're going to head down to Barbagallo Raceway and see if we can't help out and hopefully recover the car. Stay with us. So we've just rocked up to the racetrack, met this bloke called Clive. He's a friend of a friend. That's his car over there. So he's just come off the corner. So we're gonna hook a snatch strap up to it and drag it out of the sand pit and see what else needs doing. If we need to take him back to the pits, we can take him back to the pits. Alright, well, this is Clive. Don't come off the track again.
Why not?
It's all good though. We love it, so it's all to do with cars and happiness, and you're out here having fun. So I'm jealous, I wish I could be thrashing my car in the track, but Corby's don't go well around.
Somebody's got to be the hero.
Exactly. You know? So there's a hero to every story, but you know, we're out here having fun. I enjoyed myself, you enjoyed yourself, you're about to enjoy yourself some more.
Hopefully.
So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the love and share the fun. Cheers guys.
Suck me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes.
No idea. Oh no, the bonnet. Is that what the bang was?
Looks like it.
Already kidding.
You alright?
Yeah, it should be. That's always the way, eh?
What is my luck?
Let the darkness take control.
guys, so we pulled Clive out. Unfortunately, he had a bit of a mishap. He didn't do the bonnet pins up. I feel really bad for him, but that's racing. It happens. Stuff like that always happens, but it's just part of the whole deal. So I'm glad I got to have a lap of the track in a Pajero Sport. Nobody gets to have a lap of Barbara Raceway in a Pajero Sport. So wish him all the best, and he's about to have a lot more fun because he's going to go rip it even harder than before. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers guys, and peace out.